This is gonna be crazy! Let's dive into the good and the bad of the brand new 15-inch MacBook Air M2. Stick around to the end to find out if this laptop is what you've been waiting for, or is it the laptop from hell? Look how thin that is. This is the Midnight. They do have 4 colors. I'll get into that in a second. What's awesome about this is the 15-inch screen. A lot of you have been looking for Apple to come out with an affordable laptop that's not tiny, right? You don't need the power of MacBook Pro, maybe. We're gonna look at the features to see if this is the right one for you. This is the one you've been waiting for. Let's find out. Quick dive into the features is 1.4 faster than the M1, the 13-inch. It's 12 times faster than the last version. So you're getting a faster computer, a really powerful computer. It has 18-hour battery life, which is pretty crazy. And it's thinner than it's ever been. I mean, look at that, how thin that is. Razor thin. It's very light, but feels very solid and premium. It does have the MagSafe charger and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with their USB-C ports, and then you have a headphone jack port on this side. It does have a high-def HD 1080p FaceTime camera built in, so you can do your Zoom calls, your team calls. You can do your FaceTime with your family. Anything you want to do on that is right there ready for you. And it's got immersive sound. It has 5 speakers around this thing to give you really great sound out of it. Now, it's not going to be like this amazing audio system, but for a laptop like this, it's pretty impressive. It does also have Touch ID, which is really nice feature. I use it all the time. It also can support up to 2 regular monitors if you want to connect other monitors displays to this, or it can connect one 6K display, which is the Apple Studio display. Okay, let's talk about color really quick. So they came out with 2 new colors, and then you get 2 standard colors. So you have the standard silver and the standard space gray that comes with all Macs. That's been pretty standard for a long time now. But then you now get the Midnight, which is kind of like a black blue. It's hard to see on here, but it's almost black, but it has just a touch of like navy blue. So I call it a black blue. And then they have what's called Starlight, which is a beige gold, light gold kind of color. Probably more for girls. This is more for guys. I don't know. Some of you just want the standard space gray and silver. So I just think it's cool they're giving you options on these because you can kind of individualize yourself with it. I told you guys this is going to be a quick video, right? So let's ask ourselves, is this the laptop for you? That's what you want to know, right? Does this do everything you need to do? Is this the one you've been waiting for? Do you do light computing? Like, do you browse the web? Maybe do Google Docs or Microsoft Word, Excel, or Sheets? You just kind of do a little light Photoshop or Lightroom. You kind of type up papers. You do Zoom calls and stuff for work, things like that. If that is you, then this is the computer for you. This is a perfect computer. It's got a nice 15-inch screen. Look how wide that is. And you get it for under $1,700 at base. I paid about $2 grand, a little over $2 grand for this because I bumped it up to 16 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of SSD hard drive space. But it's just like a light computer I'm running around with, I travel with. I don't need anything like powerful. I'm not doing anything crazy here. So if that's you, then that's you. But if you need an HDMI port, you need more USB, you need an SD card reader slot, you need to do more, you need to do more powerful computing like Figma or Premiere Pro, After Effects, heavier Photoshop stuff, larger files. You want to run a lot of apps at a lot of times. If any of that is you, then I recommend the MacBook Pro because that's what it is for. But it is a little pricey, you know, so you have to just think about your budget and what is best for you. And maybe you're looking to learn more about the Mac Studio M2 Ultra. I just did a whole video on that. Check that out. It'll be down below. It'll be up top here or at the end of the video. And you can just see all your options, you know. Maybe you need something really robust and powerful. Maybe you're just looking for a light laptop for college or school or for travel or for work. This is it. I mean, $1,700, $1,800, $2,000. Really great. It's premium. It's gonna last you at least 2 to 5 years depending on how much you use it. So it's a great investment. If you buy a Windows computer to save money, you're gonna end up having to buy more more often, and all the frustration that comes with that of setting up a new computer, dealing with that, spending the money, why not get something that's solid? I'd love to hear what you think about this and what your favorite color is. Comment below if you've bought one or you're thinking about it, what color you're thinking about. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Hopefully this helped you learn a little bit more about the 15-inch MacBook Air M2 and decide what's best for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. This has been another tech therapy session. Peace. I found my way.